Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to flip everything around so it doesn't look like this, but it looks like this. Or maybe you want to connect a microscope to your Apple computer and you can't, or you can, but it looks like this. As you can see, everything's just simply in reverse, but you want it to look like this. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. It's a really quick and easy fix. Why it's like this, I'm not 100% sure, but we do know how to fix this. And when it does happen, we say welcome back to everything that glitches. All right, so basically you're gonna have to there's a link in the description down below to this application you could actually download, which works really well. Okay, and it's called QuickCam. But first, let's check it out in Photo Booth. As we can see, everything here in Photo Booth is backwards. And we don't want that. See how it says C8 and it's upside down. So that can be confusing too. And if you're soldering something, or even looking at some slides under the microscope, they're not going to come in correctly unless you actually apply this fix. One fix, I believe, is if you type some special code into the terminal, and that should reverse everything, but that only lasts so long. During an update or on reboot, it's it's just not going to hold steady. But if you look here, if we go to a camera, let's say I want to see myself, and I can choose from the, let's say we choose the FaceTime camera, and there it is, there I am, but I'm actually backwards, so, that even that can be confusing too, and as you can see the sign over there, it just doesn't work the way it's supposed to. And in case you're wondering, like, wait, how do you know it's backwards? Because when we do this, see that? Can you read that? It's like, you can just put a mirror next to it, but we don't want that. All right, so there's a link to the description down below to the application. It's really good. It's free. Gotta love it, at least at the time of today it is. But as you can see, it's called QuickCam. Okay, we open up QuickCam. Okay, and then you can, any camera that's connected to your Apple computer will work with this application. Okay, so we're going to launch the application, QuickCam, and as you can see, it probably opened up in this window right here. We wanted it right there. Well, you can do full screen, as you can see. And now, if I go here to this right here, see, now you can read it. Yo Jock is the name of this. That's actually supposed to be a video on this coming out probably sometime in the future. No rush, especially since we're making this one right now. All right, so now let's say you want to go into the microscope. So let's say we just select a different camera. You go to select source, and you can select any of your external cameras, and voila, look at that. Kind of neat, huh? And you can shrink it down. Let's say I want to solder it or do a tutorial on whatever it is that you're doing. See, and there it is, C8. And now I know it's actually the correct position. And you might be able to have a nice soldering experience with this if your hands are steady and not trying to think about which way is left and which way is right, which way is up and which way is down. And that is, I believe, the quickest solution ever. And that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you in moving forward so that you too can streamline your experience when connecting a microscope to your Apple computer, or even another camera, an external camera. As you can see, the cameras work too from the internal and anything that's connected, so it won't be flipped out. So it looks like this, right? But you want it to look like that. So if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.